Alright, so my wife and I got this Bissell Big Green Machine last week, and today I finally got around to being able to use it. We are non-smokers. We vacuum every day. We have normal traffic in the house, nothing crazy. Pretty much everybody that comes in our house takes their shoes off. But I felt inclined today to post a video stressing the importance of cleaning your carpets. We had our carpets professionally done in January, but we just felt that with potty training coming up and whatnot with our twins, that we needed to get a machine where we could hit the carpet more often than that. So we got this, and I've always kind of been a little bit of a doubter when it comes to these machines. I am no more after seeing what this looked like. That is 3 months only. And again, we're non-smokers. We usually eat dinner at the table, so not a lot of food. We don't walk around the house a lot with our shoes. And keep in mind, this is only about a maybe 8 by 8 foot section in our living room. This isn't where the entryway is. But yeah, I couldn't believe when I opened this what it looked like. And it comes with the Bissell Professional Deep Cleaning. I think this is basically their number one when it comes to the chemical, the wash that comes with it you can put in. But yeah, I can't stress enough the importance of cleaning your carpets on a regular basis. And seeing this today shows me that we made the right move by buying this. As far as any kind of an official review on it, the 8 by 8 section, 9 by 9 section is the only time I've used it so far. I haven't used the attachments, but it's an easy machine to get started. You put the hot water in the bottom tank, you put the chemicals in it, 2 capfuls. You, of course, this is empty at the beginning. You lock it and you plug it in and turn it on. It's really easy to use. And again, that's the importance. It shows the importance of getting your carpets clean on a regular basis.